some parts of it were like any kid's summer camp. What was significantly different was that we would have, and again, it's a visual memory, sitting under a tree with one of the counselors, the bunk, and reading about Eugene Debbs. We would learn about Debs. We would look forward to Norman Thomas once a summer, to the Wexler outing, what was it called, the Reisspor. There were outings every Sunday. The different Workmen's Circle chapters would have outings, but once during the summer there was the big outing when all the branches would come together, and Norman Thomas would be the speaker. So there was the preparation for that. I don't have any recollection of Yiddish being prominent. I don't have any recollection of Friday night being special, of candles being lit. Now, whether it did happen and I don't remember, but I don't have any visual memory of that. But very definitely of these study sessions and learning about socialism and the plight of the worker.